Just in time for Christmas, Howard shows us a festive cookie recipe that you'll want to make year after year. We're making peppermint crunch balls in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
If I ask you, what is the one candy that reminds you of Christmas? Chances are pretty good that you'll say candy canes. Yup, these crook-shaped red and white peppermint sticks seem to be everywhere. I guess the thing that makes them so popular, besides being so festive, is that they're so versatile. For those of us looking to add a whimsical and budget-friendly touch to our Christmas trees, candy canes make the perfect ornaments. Looking to make fancy schmancy place card holders for your holiday table? Tie or glue 3 mini candy canes together like this, and your guests will be quite impressed. And when you serve hot cocoa with a chocolate-dipped marshmallow, decorated with colored sugar on the end of a candy cane, you'll turn ordinary hot chocolate into extraordinary. But my all-time favorite way to enjoy these is to roll a from-scratch cookie dough in crushed candy canes before baking them off. What we end up with is a cookie that just shouts holiday special. Between the buttery minty flavor on the inside and the crunchy peppermint candy coating on the outside, these are one tasty cookie. To get the recipe for our peppermint crunch balls, along with more of our candy cane creations, just go online. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a sweeter way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.